Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a Coach Edie to show you today, and I actually really like this one because we have got this embellished strap that comes with it. How cute is that with all those heart embellishments on it? And then we also have a matching Coach bag charm, another little heart embellishment there to go with that bag strap. And we also have the matching wallet as well. So this is a really cute little set. It's a gorgeous colour. This blue is beautiful. It's kind of like a sea blue colour. It's really nice. We have got double top handles, and then we also have 4 base studs along the bottom of the bag. And then obviously we also have that embellished strap, which is removable. You can see it's just clipped onto those top handles there. And then the main bag has a magnetic press stud fasten. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside, it's got some really nice organised compartments. So we've got one compartment at the back here, and that's got a zip pocket just at the back. So I'll open up that zip so you can see inside there. So that is inside that pocket there. We've got that Coach fabric lining throughout the interior. And then we've got one central zipped section, and you can see it's really nice and secure because we've even got a little turn lock on that zip too. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside there, we've got another nice big spacey compartment, and then we have one more compartment, and that has a flat pocket just at the back there. So the condition of this Edie, I'll show you the features of the wallet actually first. So this little wallet is really nice and simple. We've just got a zip around closure. Then you can see along the back, we've got one flat pocket, and then inside, we've got 2 flat pockets on either side, so one here and then one there as well. And then we have loads of card slots, so we've got 6 on each side. And then we also have a handy little central zipped section as well. So the condition of this bag and wallet, we've called the exterior and the interior very good. The only reason that it's not excellent is there is a tiny little mark on this exterior. Really small little mark just there. So that is why I've called that exterior very good. And then the interior, again, is very good. There's just a very slight bit of marking on that leather on the inside, you can see, where it's really slightly just darkened there. And just a couple of marks from where it's kind of been sat on that zip maybe. So it is almost excellent. It is pretty much pristine. The bag actually would be closer to excellent. There's pretty much no wear at all to the exterior or the interior of this bag. So those we've called excellent. And then the hardware we've called very good. There's just a little bit of scratching to the base studs. You can see right up close, a tiny bit of scratching. But other than that, all that dark silver hardware is in a gorgeous condition. It's all really nice, no scratches or anything like that. It's showing very minimal wear, so it is in a gorgeous condition. If you'd like to know the exact measurements for the bag or the wallet, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact coach on our website, armcandybagco.com. If you click that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you've been looking out for a matching set like this one, or if you are a Coach lover, what you can do is you can get on our request list. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you'd love one of these, and we'll get you on our request list for one. As soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So get yourself on that request list if you're interested in one of these. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and you can have it obviously with those top handles, and they're a really nice size to fit on your shoulder just like that. Or you also have this lovely removable strap as well, so you can pop that on your shoulder. And that those heart embellishments make a really nice little accessory actually. And it's also long enough to pop crossbody like that. And then this wallet is nice and slim. You can very nice and easily pop it in the bag too. So it makes a lovely kind of everyday matching set. Super casual and relaxed, but super cute as well. So if you're looking for a gorgeous coach like this one, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling any of your pre-loved designer bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us. So have a read through that page and don't forget while you're here to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.